Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2,855th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. We just went through Martin Luther King's birthday, so it's Monday evening. This video is for trading on Monday evening through Tuesday, Jan 21st, 2025. Before we get into what should happen today, tomorrow, this week, please remember that trading is risky. Trading of any nature, never ever trade without putting in your protective stops first. Protect yourself before you get into these trades, okay? So, what are we looking at? We're looking at the NASDAQ daily bar chart. We've got a green OMNI for trading E-mini S&P, NASDAQ Russ, if we can get a fill. We'll talk about that in a moment. Look at this. You know, we had a lot of trouble up here. Remember? Trouble, getting up here, trouble. Gets above on Friday, and now it's above on Monday night through Tuesday. Very positive. All of that's happened since we started the turnaround videos, got above the OMNI average, and boom. But importantly is we got above that resistance, and the OMNI remains green. What else are we looking at out there? Well, there's a few interesting charts. Let's you know what? Let's just go right to them. Boom. E-mini S&P daily bar. Once again, look at the trouble it had up here. 3 times, failed. Gets up here, fails. Gets up here, fails. Gets up here, has a failed day. But then look, boom, above, holding strong green OMNI. Now, we've already, if you Omniacs were quick enough to get in with my flash updates, we already nailed the Russell for, I don't know, 40 some odd points already, 46 points, somewhere around there. So, very good trade. Omni scooped up on the lows and Russ tonight, sent out a signal right away because we are buyers of dips in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. Subscribe to livewithoscar.com. Meet me in my live trading room and you'll see what that's all about. What else is out there on the menu for this evening? Let's go look here. Traders, Bitcoin. Please subscribe, like, and share these videos. Subscribe on YouTube. Subscribe to Live with Oscar. What's Bitcoin doing? Well, very interestingly, as you know, the Omni's given us targets on the way up. We had an 85,000 target. That was nailed. Thank you, Omni. Then we had a 106 target, a 109 target. Both targets hit. Latest target posted a couple of weeks ago now is 121,450. That's not for tomorrow, of course. That's slightly longer term. But what's going on here? Same sort of thing. Remember, we started this line here and then trouble. And we came back down and a little bit of trouble, but then boom, gets above. And then on Monday night for trading Tuesday, what happened is it opened, rallied all the way up to here, then dropped, came back down to here, but it also dropped here. And what did it do? So far, the way I see this, it went up. This is the red bar. It went up, came down, hit that support, held it, and right now it's trading here. That's the price of Bitcoin after getting down here and holding. Gotta like that, right? Bitcoin looking decent. Now, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, I posed the question, will Bitcoin make it above finally and break out above this? Remember 2 videos ago, I asked you in 2 separate videos, please respond, leave comments below, and we'll tally them up. Well, will it get above this time and rally? Well, you know what? Out of 230 replies that actually said either yes, we got way more replies than that, but the ones that said either up or down, 230 replies, 75% of you said we would drop and go down. Kids, we went from 100,000 to 110,000. We went up. Now, that question's been answered, and I say we sit on pause for just 1 day on Bitcoin and see if it holds here. If it does, rock and roll. Maybe we work our way out. Another question posed to you. I think you'll like this one. Here it is. Now, I'd like for you to answer. Leave comments below. Crude oil. Crude oil's put in a big double top on a daily bar. it's been coming down since, right? You got top one, then the big drop and a little bit of a rally and then another drop and then boom, top two gets put in. So a double top is there. The market proves it's a double top because it's already dropped 3 days since it hit. My question to you, is this the Trump trade? I think it is, to be honest. The Trump trade. See what happened? As soon as Trump's getting in office, it starts to drop. Today's first day he's in office. This is tonight, Monday night's trading. It's starting to drop. I believe the Trump trade is in place. What do you think? Tonight's question, will the Trump trade work out? Yes or no? Please leave answers below. Make sure you answer on this because this could be important, this one. Will crude start to work its way lower? Is this the Trump trade? Or after the double top, will it rally back up and continue on? What do you think will happen next? Are we in what I'd like to refer to as the Trump trade? Will the market continue lower? Or what do you think? Yes or no? Please tell me your thoughts. I'm calling it the Trump trade. I'm using technical analysis. We're going to call it the Trump trade because they're fitting at the same time. I only use technical analysis. What do you think about this trade? Please leave your comments below. I will tally them up and see where we stand. That's your crude oil. Traders, that's what I wanted to show you. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We say this to ourselves over and over again, and by now, you should know what that is. Are you with me, kids? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I hope you got into that rush trade. Mikey, you're killing it, baby. Keep it up. My son, he's doing a great job. Love you, kid. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.